everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you're looking for something to do with cinnamon, something a little bit different, I have a long list of foods here broken up into different categories, and these foods are known to pair well with cinnamon. So hopefully this will give you some ideas. In the way of protein foods, including nuts and seeds, cinnamon is known to blend well with almonds, beans in general, halibut, that's interesting, lamb, nuts in general, pork, and poultry. Now that's different. In the way of vegetables, cinnamon goes well with beets, carrots, cauliflower, chilies, onions, rhubarb, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes. In the way of fruits, cinnamon goes well with apples, apple cider, and apple juice, bananas, blueberries, coconut, dates, fruits in general, grapefruit, grapes, lemons, oranges, peaches, pears, and raisins. All that makes me hungry. In the way of grains and grain products, cinnamon goes well with baked goods in general, cereals, corn, couscous, oatmeal, popcorn, and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, cinnamon goes with butter, ice cream, milk, whether it's dairy or non-dairy, and yogurt. In the other foods category, cinnamon goes well with chocolate and cocoa, coffee and espresso, honey, maple syrup, rose water, that's interesting, sugar, and also wine. I do hope this helps give you some ideas for something different to do. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.